Rosemary oil for hair growth before and after. We all know that preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth can both be difficult and take a lot of time to learn. But if you want to promote your hair growth, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and we are here to promote your health and your hygiene. If you want to get better at it, then be sure to hit subscribe, like the video, and leave any questions you have below in the comments. Today's video is all about whether you should consider using rosemary oil for your hair growth, so let's get started. Rosemary essential oil and hair. Rosemary is a culinary and healing herb. This woody perennial is native to the Mediterranean region, where it's been used as food and medicine for centuries. Much like oregano, peppermint, and cinnamon, rosemary is frequently found in essential oil form. Essential oils are highly concentrated and distilled extracts of volatile plant compounds. These are used for cooking, cleaning, beauty, health, and other purposes. Rosemary essential oil is a common variety you can purchase and use as a home remedy. The oil's health uses range from antioxidant benefits and anti-inflammation to memory enhancement and more. In recent years, there have been claims that the oil may be great for hair growth. Some say it could even prevent hair loss, pointing to Mediterranean culture's use of rosemary in hair rinses to promote hair growth for hundreds of years as supporting evidence. Can rosemary oil treat hair loss? The idea that rosemary oil encourages hair growth may come from the rosemary's basic health benefits. The plant in essential oil form is said to have anti-inflammatory properties, promote nerve growth, improve circulation. Like peppermint essential oil, also used to promote hair growth, rosemary essential oil strengthens circulation. As a result, it can prevent hair follicles from being starved of blood supply, dying off, and leading to hair loss. Beyond stimulating hair growth, rosemary essential oil is used to prevent premature graying and dandruff. It may also help dry or itchy scalp. Best practices: mix several drops of rosemary oil with olive or coconut oil and apply it to your scalp. Leave it in for at least 10 minutes before washing it out with shampoo. Do this twice per week for best results. I hope this video helped you with rosemary essential oil and hair. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and then be sure to subscribe for more. And I'm always looking to make more of what you want to see. So leave a comment below and let me know what video I should do next. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.